What's poppin'? It's your boy from the C, the ATL Don, checking in. This week we got another sneaker pickup, but before we get into this video is sponsored by Helloice, the hip-hop jewelry company. I'm very blessed to have worked with them in the past, so we're going to check out what they sent over to me. They offer free shipping, anything over $40 on the site. They got a really good promo going right now. Add 2 items to your cart and use the discount code FREE, and the second item in the cart will be sent to you absolutely free. It's got to be equal value. So the cardboard box it comes in has their logo, Helloice, on it. Then they get the jewelry box in the inside. Also has Helloice done like in a chrome foil. Very, very nice. Always A1 packaging by them. Like I said, I've worked with them in the past. All their jewelry's got a 1-year warranty. You know, can't beat it. Make sure you go follow them on Instagram at Helloice Official. So we got the logo on the black box. Then the inside of the box is all black on both sides. Comes in a very nice pouch with the Helloice logo also done in black. The camera probably can't pick it up. So I ended up getting a Cuban link chain. I got a gold one from them in the past, but I needed something that had that white gold look to it, because yellow gold, you know, doesn't go with every color of outfits out there. So this is the Cuban link 16 millimeter 22 inch white gold chain. So it's actually, the base material is stainless steel, then it's 5 times white gold plated, so you don't have to worry about it wearing off or anything. Let's try this bad boy on. Very, very nice. I think it goes good with this colorway. I think this would look better than yellow gold wearing these particular colors, in my opinion. So very happy to get that. Once again, thank you Helloice for sponsoring today's video. Make sure once again you go follow them at Helloice Official on Instagram. Check out their official website, Helloice.com. Once again, they have promo going right now. Add 2 items to your cart and use a promo code FREE and get the second item absolutely free. Free shipping, anything over $40. They're a very respected hip-hop jewelry company out there. I highly suggest them. Check them out. Alright, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll do a close-up of the chain along with the sneaker that we're unboxing. Alright, this is the most expensive sneaker I've ever purchased. This came from Goat. I've been wanting this for a little while. This is actually only the second Jordan 4 ever to my collection. You already know what it is from the title of the video and the thumbnail. Jumpman logo flight. Got in size 12, of course. Let's check these bad boys out. Alright, got the Goat sticker, the black trash bag material. Got the Goat authentication card. You don't see it inside the box. Alright, So I picked up the Jordan 4 Travis Scott collab. Very, very nice. So the whole upper is done in the suede / nubuck material. The other Jordan 4 I have in the collection is the Motorsport, which is made out of different materials, not suede. First time ever seeing these in hand, so let's see. Alright, so we got the black netting on the sides, also on the tongue, which is hidden mostly by the laces. Got the black laces, of course. Got the Jumpman, the flight done in, I don't know if that's like a silver type gray threading on the tongue. And it's got the splatter paint on these, I guess you'd call these wings on the side. I'm not sure the proper terminology. Like I said, this is only the second Jordan 4 I've ever had. It does have the Jumpman logo on the back of the right foot with the splatter paint theme still going on the back tab. The midsoles got the Carolina blue, the white, and the black bottom sole. Inside of the air pocket, you can see it's red inside of the sole. On the bottoms, primarily black with a translucent there with a red Jumpman. It's got the Air Jordan done upside down inside the tongue in blue. The insoles are red. It has Cactus Jack with splatter paint going on that. So on the left foot, we got the Cactus Jack little hang tag. It's got the Jumpman logo on the other side. This shoe is pretty much identical with the exception of the left foot has Cactus Jack on the back tab. Unlike the other one, just has the Jumpman logo. Then the insole on this one has the Jumpman logo on it. And this one has Travis Scott done upside down and also backwards, done in reverse. And this one had the Air Jordan. And this tag here is done in white, and the one on this side has the Air Jordan on a blue tag. But, very, very dope. Happy to add these to the collection. Right now these are going, when I looked last night before filming this, size 12 is going for, I think it was $1,175, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But you know, the prices of the Jordans jumped up drastically after the Last Dance documentary. So wanted to add these. I do have the Jordan 1 high and low versions of the Travis Scott, so this makes my third pair of Travis Scotts in my collection. So stay tuned in the video. We're going to do a close-up of that. We'll also do a close-up of the chain. Once again, thank you Helloice for sponsoring today's video. Please give a big thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Trenz Unltd merch in the description. Till next time, it's your boy Infamous C, the ATL Don, sign out. Peace.
They just trim my claim to fame. Mafioso be the click. Let's go to